Today we're gonna go down and we're gonna go to the Costiera Amalfitana place called Nerano. We're gonna use Parmigiano Reggiano, but the real recipe will call for another one that is called Provolone di Monaco. Typical provolone, spicy and sharp from the Costiera Amalfitana. But a lot of people even down there, they don't use provolone. They use Parmigiano, they use Pecorino Romano. It's good. So today we're gonna do with the Pecorino Romano, okay? Let's go. Ingredients, we choose a nice De Cecco linguine, zucchini, fresh basil, garlic, Pecorino Romano, extra virgin olive oil, and a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna warm up some vegetable oil and we put it at to 170 degrees and we're gonna slice the zucchini. Voila. Slightly fry the zucchini. When the zucchini ready, usually 2-3 minutes, it should be ready. But you'll see when it becomes a little golden brown, they are ready. See, now they're nice and brown. Perfect. Aglio olio. A couple of these. Olive oil. Vino bianco. A little bit. Voila. People are gonna say, oh, so much garlic, remove it. You don't have to eat it. I cannot kiss my girlfriend, too much garlic. I don't kiss her. Kiss somebody else. At this point, I'm going to remove a little bit of garlic. There you go. Then, the basil. I'm gonna mix the basil. Zucchini, I'm gonna keep some zucchini out. And I'm gonna put this nice basil inside here, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Pecorino Romano. Wonderful. And voila. Look. 1.5 spoons. Oh shit. Ooh, look at this. Linguine. Love it. Okay, now we're gonna toss the whole thing here. Keep doing this. There you go. The secret is cheese, a little bit of olive oil, and water. Okay, now we're gonna plate the pasta. Look how beautiful. Some pecorino. Decoration. Linguine Alla Nerano, Costa Amalfitana. Mwah! Simple. Don't criticize me. I didn't use the right cheese, it's true, but I use a good cheese, a pecorino, which is good anyway. Delicious. Be careful, guys, when you make it. The cheese, the water, the olive oil, blend them not too much hot, because otherwise the cheese will start to coagulate like mozzarella. Instead, it needs to be like creamy. See, it looks like there's butter inside. But we didn't put any butter. It's fantastic.